We're here in Lac-Mégantic at the conclusion of the Elite Women's Road Race Canadian National Championships, talking with Leah Kirschman from Optum Kelly Benefit Strategies, who for the second day in a row has become Canadian National Champion. Congratulations. I mean, that was a hard course. Tell us about the race strategy and, did things play out the way you expected they would?
So our strategy going into this race was we wanted an aggressive race, and we thought that the climb was hard enough in the circuits that it would get really whittled down, and if we really hit it on the climbs, then we might come up with a very select group of riders. Didn't exactly play out how we thought it would or how we had planned. A couple riders got away at the start and got a pretty big gap and threw out a few of the circuits that we were worried about, and kind of had to do some work and attacking and bring it back on the climb, back to bring back the break. And then we sort of had some unfortunate timed flats, and I needed a bike change at one point for shifting reasons. And
When was that?
On the 4th circuit. And we had also planned to sort of hit it on the 4th and 5th climb to try to whittle it down, but then my teammate Annie had a flat right before, so yeah. So we sort of ended up with a bigger group than we expected coming to the finish.
Yeah, because there was about, I think, like 15 or so of you, and I mean, no one seemed to be getting away. There seemed to be a few attacks, but it stayed together. So did you sort of discuss how you were going to handle the finish now that there was a bunch?
Yeah, so we had prepared for the case of a bunch sprint, and we were totally comfortable with that situation. Our plan was to basically mark any attacks and maybe put in a few digs if we saw the opportune moment. But the course is quite rolling coming in, so just nothing was able to stick or get away. And then we followed our lead-out plan to take it 1, 2, 3 through the last corner. And my teammates did such an awesome job that we cornered so fast we had a gap coming through, and so I was able to sprint away, and Denise was able to hang on for second. So I have to thank Annie and Denise for today's win.
So Annie was first in the lead out, trained through the corner, and then Denise, and then you. So when did you take the lead?
I don't know. I sprinted pretty early once I saw we had a gap, maybe like 300 meters or more. Yeah, I just figured go for it, hold on.
Now, I mean, national road champion is a pretty big deal. I mean, time trial is great to win, but road title is something else. Have you started to think about what it means that you're going to be able to wear the maple leaf for the next year?
Yeah, it's incredible. It's going to be such an honor to be able to put on the maple leaf jersey at every race. I can't wait for it.
Well, congratulations.
Okay, thank you.